Okay. In last class, I think we have started doing some programming, simple programming using all of instruction. Then we move to logic conversion from Boolean logic to ladder logic and vice versa. Okay. Can one of you tell what was our last problem? Remember, we were discussing about Unit 2. In that, we were talking about realization of digital logic. Okay. I think conveyor belt problem was the last problem, right? Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Conveyor belt problem was the last problem.
Yes, sir.
Now, take another problem. This is actually third problem of this topic, motor control problem. In this problem, what we need to do is, as earlier, we need to realize using digital circuit, that is gates, and also we need to realize this problem with the help of ladder circuit. Right? Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, take the problem. Suppose that we have two start, two stop buttons. Okay, that we have two starts and two stop button. The constraint given is when start is pressed, the motor runs. It's the first thing given. And what we need to do is by sealing. Hope you understand the word sealing. Earlier also we have used this thing. By sealing, it continues to run. Even when start is released. Hope you understand the word or this sentence. Everybody understand this sentence? By sealing, it continues to run even when start button is
Released.
okay. The last constraint given is either of the stop button, either of the stop button stops the motor. Stops the motor. This is what we need to realize with the help of these two ways. Okay. In order to realize with the help of first way or second way, we need to write Boolean expression, right? How can we write Boolean expression for this? The Boolean expression for this problem can be written as the output y, which is nothing but motor, is equal to, there are how many start switches?
2.
Two start switches. Let us suppose that the start switches are represented with letter A, comma B, and stop are represented with letter S1, comma S2. Sorry, character S1, comma S2, and motor is represented with Y. So we can write the expression if either of the stop is pressed, the motor start running. But also if stop is pressed, either of the stop is pressed. So we can write S1 bar or S2 bar. Okay. Hope it is clear to everybody.
Yes, sir.
But you see the second constraint given is by sealing, it continues to run even when the start button is released. In that case, we need to write a parallel connection with this start logic as Y itself, A or B or Y itself. Okay. Hope it is clear to everybody. We have done this problem earlier also. Okay. Let us see the realization with ladder logic. The Y output, the logic is like this. If start is press A or B, how can we seal the output? By writing a parallel connection with the start logic, right? Right? We have done this problem earlier also. Not stop. Then motor runs. This problem we have done earlier also. Just I am repeating this problem so as to see the realization with the digital circuit. Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir, clear.
Okay. Let us see the realization with digital circuit. Okay. How can we realize this part? How can we realize this part?
Sir, AB has AND gate
Huh.
and Y has NOT gate.
Okay. A, B can be realized with OR gate, and also we need to take a feedback from output Y. Okay. Then in the same level, we need to take the help of AND gate and connect to this S1 and S2. And after that, we can convert the logic with the help of NOT gate inversion, right? After that, these two together can be connected to the output, and this is our AND gate. And we need to take a feedback from here and join here. Hope it is clear to everybody. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But it is not correct. Where is the problem? These two are nothing but S1 bar dot S2 bar. And how about this? S1, S2 whole bar. There is a difference between these two, right? S1, S2 whole bar is what? S1 bar or S2 bar. So this is not correct. How can we solve this problem? We want like this. Any idea?
Sir, again one more
Again, one more.
or
Or what can we do is the OR logic can be applied in the input side. That can be a possible solution. There will be many different ways, right? So I can write like this. This become S1 bar. I can write like this. This become S2 bar, and together become S1 bar or S2 bar. Is it so?
yes, sir.
Now you see, this is S1 bar or S2 bar. And this is nothing but A or B or Y. And these two are getting AND, right? These two are getting AND to get Y output. Hope it is clear to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Can one of you tell why unnecessarily we are breaking our head in doing this logic conversion exercise? There can be many reasons, but one of the reason is it is mentioned in syllabus, right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Another reason is we are already familiar with digital circuit, and if we get the idea of converting the digital circuit into a new concept called as PLC programming, then what can we do is the existing knowledge can be applied in order to solve some complicated problems, right? That is the reason why we are doing this exercise of logic conversion. If it is clear, can we proceed?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Can I have a few more voices? Can I have a few more voices, please? No? So should I repeat this problem once more? Should I repeat this problem once more? So I got stuck. Maybe I lost the connection with you. Is it so?
No, sir.
Nobody is responding. Saminaha, are you there? Yeah, Zainab, CM.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Zainab, ये प्रॉब्लम फिर बताना मुझे चाहिए या फिर दिस इज ओके, कैन आई गो टू नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम? अच्छा ठीक है, चलिए. Let us see this problem once more as you are not responding. So I consider it to be not clear. We have actually two start switches and two stop switches. And it is asked to perform running of motor when any of the start switches press. Either. This is not any, this is either of the start switches press, right? Okay. It means that suppose one start switch is present with the supervisor and another with the operator, anyone can start. So if we want to perform like this operation, we need to connect the start button in parallel. That's why I'm connecting start button. Already we have seen this exercise earlier. The second constraint given is the start button is pressed just once, and after that the button is released. We need to do somehow something in order to seal this logic. So in order to perform sealing of logic, what we need to do is we need to write the address of output in parallel with the start button. Whichever thing we want to seal. I want to seal the start logic. So I am writing. Can I take the call, please?